Good morning, y'all. So, I am actually digging up a marshmallow plant right here. And this grew in my other garden, and we till that. So I need to get this in my herb garden. It planted over there. I had the seeds mislabeled. So, hey, it works out great because marshmallow is very medicinal. And actually what they used to use the marshmallow root for was to make marshmallows way back in the day before the sugar bombs came. So, I'm not going to make marshmallows, but I am going to use the root. So here's the marshmallow. I have actually saved some of the flowers just in case for teas. Here is the marshmallow root, and you can see where I cut some off right here. I'm actually going to replant this in my herb garden and see if it'll regrow itself for next year, and then I'll harvest it again. And so here's the sections of the marshmallow root. So I'm going to clean that up, chop it up in pieces, and get it drying. And then I will use it for teas and such. Say hi, Chip. No, he's got to eat something. Let's see who's in here. Here's my herb garden. It's very messy. Got some of the chickens in here this morning. I left the gate open, so they're helping spread some good old poo. And looking at the site of the future garlic beds. And so today is herb garden day. Lots of weeding. Lots of, see if there's anything left to harvest. So that's Pretty Boy. There's the rooster, Pretty Boy. They're like, oh man, we got caught. Yeah, you guys got caught in here, didn't you? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to kick these guys out, and I'm going to find a spot in this mess of, supposed to be strawberries and weeds. But I got some beautiful herbs out of here this year. It was just an abundance of just deliciousness. Such an apothecary that I'm starting to build, and I'm extremely excited for it. So I'm going to find a new spot for that marshmallow plant and do some weeding here. So, all right, take care. God bless.